Discover the difference with Blue Engine Salesforce Consulting, your go-to experts in the bustling New York City area. We specialize in Salesforce solutions tailored just for you, whether you're a nonprofit or looking for managed services. Our team dives deep, understanding your unique needs to turn challenges into opportunities. We're passionate about helping organizations thrive with well-crafted Salesforce strategies. Ready to transform your operations and elevate your success? Don't wait any longer. Let Blue Engine lead your Salesforce journey. Book a call today, and let's get started.